Eating pizza. Piggies. It's a hot day. You gotta feed your pigs popsicles. Grand champion. There we go. Ooh. There we go, piggies. So, pretty nice day today. Had 2 dead possums in the barn today. Kind of interesting. I've also went out to the garden today and found many different plants that I didn't think I had. I got some yellow beans coming up. I had like 7 stalks of corn all in one spot. So I tried to pull 5 of them away from it and see if I can restock them somewhere else. See if that actually works. I don't know, to be honest, if you can do that with corn or not. I haven't done the research for it, to be totally honest with you. And also some of the plants that I got seem a little like small, immature, but hopefully when I cleared some of the debris around them, pulled some of the weeds, cleared them a better path of survival. Hopefully that works. So I guess I'll let you know. Thank you for subscribing and like.